How do you set up Claudio Desktop? Once you add the computer, like it's a pretty straightforward thing. You put in your information, you hit submit. It will give you an activation code. You click on download Claudio Desktop. It is a slightly larger install file. It's around 1+ gig. So please be sure that you have the space to be able to download it. You will need 1 gig to download, but expect that you'll need 2 to 3 gigs to be able to actually install the application. That's something you have to be aware of, because the application has to be able to run, and we recommend that you're aware of the requirements. If you click on download user manual, there is information on the website as well as in the user manual as to the requirements of what you need. I will just very quickly go through the requirements. I believe it's above 3 gigs, but I will just go through it with you. Yeah, it's above 3 gigs that you need. So please be sure that you have enough space on your PC or your Mac to be able to install the application. The reason it's such a big install is because it is running AI models. When you install that application has at least three AI models packaged in it. So it does require that much space to be able to run. Once you download Claudio Desktop and you go through the install process, it will ask you for your activation code after you put in your username and password. You copy and paste the activation code into the app. And once you've done that, this is what you can expect to see. This is what it will look like.